Top 4 Best Seed to Flush Out Toxins and Repair Kidneys Fast. What if I told you that some of the smallest foods in your kitchen could actually help your body flush out toxins and support your kidneys more effectively? Seeds may look tiny, but they carry an impressive amount of nutrition. Inside every seed is everything needed to grow a new plant, which is exactly why they're so nutrient-dense and beneficial for your health. Seeds are rich in fiber, and that plays a key role in helping your body remove waste more efficiently. Fiber supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and helps reduce the buildup of toxins that your kidneys would otherwise have to handle. They also contain healthy fats that improve circulation and help reduce inflammation, two important factors in protecting kidney function over time. On top of that, seeds provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help defend your kidney cells from damage caused by everyday stress and toxins. When you include the right seeds in your diet, they can help support stable blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and create a healthier internal environment for your kidneys to work in. But here's the key: it's not just about eating seeds, it's about using them the right way. Stick around, because I'll show you how to get the real benefits. But before we begin, drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, also known as linseed, are one of the most powerful additions you can make to your diet if you want to support kidney health naturally. They may be small, but they are packed with a unique combination of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants that help your body function more efficiently from the inside out. One of the biggest benefits of flax seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber plays a major role in improving digestion and helping your body eliminate waste and toxins more effectively. When your digestive system is working smoothly, fewer toxins circulate in your bloodstream, which means your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter them out. Over time, this reduced workload can make a meaningful difference in supporting long-term kidney function. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a type called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s are widely known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Lower inflammation in the body helps protect blood vessels and supports better circulation. This is important because your kidneys depend on steady blood flow to receive oxygen and nutrients. When circulation is strong, your kidneys are better equipped to filter waste efficiently. However, there's an important detail many people overlook. The nutrients in flax seeds are locked inside a tough outer shell. If you eat them whole, your body may not fully digest them, meaning you miss out on many of the benefits. That's why it's recommended to consume ground flax seeds instead. Grinding them allows your body to absorb the omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants more effectively. Another standout feature of flax seeds is their high content of lignans. These are plant-based antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research suggests that lignans, combined with fiber and omega-3 fats, may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and support healthy blood pressure levels. Both of these factors are closely linked to kidney health, as high cholesterol and high blood pressure can strain the delicate filtering system inside your kidneys. Nutritionally, flax seeds also provide protein, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin B1. Magnesium is especially valuable because it helps regulate blood pressure, supports muscle and nerve function, and contributes to overall metabolic balance, all of which play a role in maintaining healthy kidneys. For most people, 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds per day is enough to gain these benefits. Going beyond that isn't necessary and may cause digestive discomfort, especially if your body isn't used to high fiber intake. Since flax seeds absorb water, it's also important to stay well hydrated. Drinking enough fluids helps the fiber work properly and prevents issues like constipation. Another advantage is that flax seeds are relatively low in oxalates, making them a safer choice for people who are concerned about kidney stones, particularly calcium oxalate stones. In simple terms, when used correctly, ground flax seeds can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, support circulation, and ease the daily workload on your kidneys. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are very similar to flax seeds, and for good reason. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fats, and essential minerals that help your body stay balanced while supporting kidney health over time. Even though they're small, their impact can be surprisingly powerful when used the right way. One of the biggest benefits of chia seeds is their extremely high fiber content. Fiber helps slow digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, allowing waste to leave your body more efficiently. When your digestive system is working well, fewer toxins remain in your bloodstream. That means your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter them out, which reduces long-term strain. Chia seeds are also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden drivers of kidney damage, as well as high blood pressure and heart issues. By helping reduce inflammation, omega-3s support healthier blood vessels, which improve circulation. And good circulation is essential for your kidneys to filter waste effectively. In terms of nutrients, chia seeds provide plant-based protein, vitamin B1, magnesium, and manganese. Magnesium is especially important because it helps regulate blood pressure and supports muscle and nerve function. Stable blood pressure is one of the most important factors in protecting your kidneys, particularly as you get older or if you're at risk of kidney disease. Chia seeds also contain powerful antioxidants known as polyphenol. These compounds help protect your kidney cells from oxidative stress, which occurs when harmful molecules damage healthy tissue. Over time, oxidative stress can weaken kidney function, so including antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds can offer an extra layer of protection. However, chia seeds must be consumed correctly. These seeds can absorb up to 10 to 15 times their weight in water. If you eat them dry or without enough liquid, they can expand in your digestive system and cause bloating, discomfort, or even blockage. This can indirectly place stress on your body, including your kidneys. That's why hydration is essential. The best way to consume chia seeds is by soaking them in water for at least 10 to 15 minutes before eating. You can also add them to foods that already contain liquid, like oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. And don't forget to drink enough water throughout the day to support proper digestion. Portion control matters too. While chia seeds are healthy, eating too much can increase your intake of certain minerals like phosphorus and oxalates. For kidney support, about 1 tablespoon per day is generally enough. This gives you the benefits without overloading your system. When used properly, chia seeds can support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help your kidneys work more efficiently, not harder. Number 3. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are one of the oldest foods used by humans, and they remain popular today for a good reason. You can find them in sesame oil, tahini, sesame milk, or simply sprinkled on top of meals. Even though they're tiny, sesame seeds are packed with nutrients that can support overall health when used properly. These seeds provide a rich combination of healthy fats, plant-based protein, essential amino acids, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. 2 key compounds found in sesame seeds are sesamin and sesamol. Research suggests these compounds help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. This is especially important for kidney health, because long-term inflammation can slowly damage kidney tissue. By lowering inflammation, sesame seeds may help reduce some of that ongoing stress on your kidneys. The antioxidants in sesame seeds don't just benefit the kidneys, they also help protect the heart and liver. Some studies suggest that sesame compounds may help lower LDL cholesterol and support healthier blood vessels. Better blood vessel function improves circulation, which is essential for kidney filtration. When your kidneys receive steady blood flow, they can remove waste more efficiently. Sesame seeds have also been linked to other benefits, including support for skin health, hearing, and slowing certain signs of aging. Early laboratory research even suggests they may have properties that help fight harmful cell changes, although more human studies are needed to confirm these effects. While scientists continue to explore how well the body absorbs these nutrients, sesame seeds remain a flavorful and nutrient-dense addition to many diets. However, sesame seeds are not the best choice for everyone, especially for people with kidney concerns. One major issue is their high oxalate content. Oxalates can bind with calcium in the body and form kidney stones, particularly calcium oxalate stones. If you've had kidney stones in the past, sesame seeds are often listed as a food to limit or avoid. They are also relatively high in phosphorus, which can be problematic for people with moderate to advanced kidney disease. When the kidneys can't remove excess phosphorus effectively, it can build up in the blood, weakening bones and affecting blood vessels. Sesame seeds also contain moderate levels of potassium, which can add up quickly if eaten in larger amounts. Another factor to consider is phytates, natural compounds that can reduce the absorption of certain minerals. Roasting sesame seeds can lower phytate levels slightly, but it does not significantly reduce oxalates or phosphorus, so the main concerns remain. So how should sesame seeds be used? For generally healthy individuals, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day can be part of a balanced diet and may support heart and kidney health. If you are prone to kidney stones, it's best to limit them or avoid them altogether. If you do consume them, pairing sesame seeds with calcium-rich foods like yogurt or milk may help reduce oxalate absorption in the digestive system. For those with advanced kidney disease, sesame seeds should only be included after consulting a healthcare professional or dietitian. Because of their phosphorus content, they are often considered a limit food and need to be carefully managed. In the end, sesame seeds can be beneficial, but only when used thoughtfully. When it comes to kidney health, it's not just about the nutritional value of a food, but also how much you eat and whether it fits your individual needs. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they deliver an impressive range of health benefits. They are packed with fiber, healthy fats, amino acids, and powerful antioxidants like vitamin E, tocopherols, and carotenoids. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation and support overall wellness, which plays a direct role in protecting your kidneys over time. Research has shown that pumpkin seeds can help regulate blood sugar, support heart health, and even protect the liver. They also have natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Lower inflammation in the body means less long-term stress on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. In addition, pumpkin seeds have been linked to improved mood and mental health. Some studies suggest they may help reduce symptoms of depression by supporting brain chemicals that regulate mood. They also support digestion and help protect the stomach lining, lowering the risk of ulcers. When your body systems are working smoothly, your kidneys don't have to work as hard. One of the standout benefits of pumpkin seeds is their high content of zinc and magnesium. Zinc supports immune function and helps repair damaged tissues, while magnesium plays a key role in protecting kidney health. It helps prevent calcium buildup in the kidneys and blood vessels, reducing the risk of calcification and long-term damage. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds also help protect the nephrons, the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys, by reducing oxidative stress and preserving their function. However, pumpkin seeds can be a double-edged sword, especially for people with advanced kidney disease. They are relatively high in phosphorus and potassium, two minerals that often need to be limited in a kidney-friendly diet. Just a small serving can contribute a significant amount, which may add up quickly if portions aren't controlled. That's why portion size is critical. For those with kidney concerns, it's better to use pumpkin seeds in small amounts, about 1 tablespoon, as a topping on salads, yogurt, or meals, rather than eating them by the handful. Another important factor is sodium. Many packaged pumpkin seeds are heavily salted, and excess sodium can raise blood pressure, putting additional strain on your kidneys. Always choose raw or dry-roasted unsalted options whenever possible. For individuals with healthy kidneys, pumpkin seeds can be enjoyed more freely. About a quarter cup per day can be a nutritious snack that supports heart health, immune function, and overall wellness. They also support bladder and prostate health by helping improve urine flow, which indirectly reduces pressure on the kidneys. In summary, pumpkin seeds are highly nutritious and offer strong protective benefits. But when it comes to kidney health, how much you eat and how they're prepared makes all the difference. As you can see, protecting your kidneys doesn't always require expensive supplements or complicated routines. Often, it begins with small, intentional food choices that you make every day. Simple additions like seeds can quietly support your body in powerful ways when used correctly and consistently. Flax seeds help reduce inflammation and support natural detox by improving digestion and easing the workload on your kidneys. Chia seeds take it a step further by promoting smoother digestion, stabilizing blood sugar, and helping your body eliminate waste more efficiently. Pumpkin seeds provide key minerals like zinc and magnesium, which help protect the tiny filtering units in your kidneys and support overall balance in your body. And sesame seeds, when used carefully and in the right portions, offer antioxidants and heart-supporting benefits that indirectly help kidney function. The key message is simple. The right seeds, in the right amounts, can support your body's natural detox process and help protect your kidneys over time. But balance is everything. Portion size, proper preparation, and your individual kidney condition all play a role in how beneficial these foods will be for you. Your kidneys are working for you every second of the day, filtering your blood, removing waste, and keeping your body stable. When you provide them with better nutrition, you give them the support they need to function more efficiently and last longer. If this helped you better understand how seeds can support kidney health, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple, science-based tips. Feel free to leave a comment or share your experience.